Football is where we start, as they've been nestled at the foot of the table for weeks. But Boys Town will be hoping that last week's victory over FC Reno in the Red Stripe Premier League is the start of a resurgence. Simon Preston previews Thursday's round of matches.
It has been a fighting season for Boys Town. They have heard the word relegation all too often, but they are willing to prove doubters wrong. Before their 2-1 victory over Reno last week, there were only one win in 16 previous outings with 7 measly points. Up next, they take on the unbeaten Arnett Gardens at Barbican.
Not a tough game. We play, one of the leaders. It's a trench town derby, even though it's going to be played at Barbican. But it's a good game to go anywhere to say.
The Arnett Gardens clash is a neighbourhood derby being played miles away from home. That's because of Boys Town's problems at home with facilities. Some even say they should share ground with Arnett. That's something which hasn't been written off by Boys Town coach Andrew Price.
It's a thought process. We have to look at the fixtures. If it is possible, then we'll try it. I mean, both clubs, I think, will benefit if we can play double headers there. It's something that we have to sit down and discuss and look at the fixtures. But right now, Barbican is our home, and we're going to have to continue to use it until the alternatives are in place.
The Westmoreland-based teams Reno and Sandal South Coast both shared form over the last 5 matches. The two have the worst record of the season. 2 defeats and 3 drawn games. That's a problem Reno's coach Michael Graham says is a result of faulty finishing.
All season, that is one of the problems that's been plaguing us. We keep creating chances, not scoring. Craig Foster, as usual, he give us his best and give us his goal. But we're not containing people, we're not containing teams when they come to play us. We lose control of the game. We turn over the ball too many times in the park. And in a first league in your country, if you turn over a ball so regular, you go pick it up in the back of your net.
Reno will play away to Tivoli Gardens, while Sandal South Coast host Humble Lion. Elsewhere, Portmore United will be at home to Uwe, while Montego United take on Cavalier at Westpow Park. And on Friday, Waterhouse will host Harbour View at Drewsland. Reporting for TVJ Sports, I'm Simon Preston.